All right, you finished the first video. Let's now move to the second video here. All right, what I'd like for you to do is to look at these problems right here. I have 6 problems here. What I want you to do is figure out if you would use 1, 2, or more than 2 operations to solve. So if you would go through and just list, we'll call this one number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. The reason this is important is because before you ever work an equation, you should be able to look at it and in your mind figure out what you have to do. For instance, number 5. If you look at number 5 here, you should be able to look at that and say, okay, I have to use the distributive property. There's a minus sign, so somewhere in that problem I'm probably going to have to add or subtract. So that's 2 operations. There's 2x. That means means multiplication. So I'm going to have to do the inverse. It means I'm going to have to divide. So right there, number 5, you're going to have to use at least 3 operations. Number 4 is a divided by 2 equals 10. A divided by 2 is division. Opposite of division is multiplication, so that's going to use 1. So what I want you to do is figure out how many steps each one of these is going to take. I didn't say solve, so you don't have to solve. So if you'll do these right here, let me highlight them just so you'll know that I want you to work this out. All right, second thing, if you'll work these 3. And again, pause the video as you need. Next one, if you'll work these 2 problems, all I'm doing right now is giving you practice. And then, if you'll do number 1, number 2, I'm going to call number 2 kind of the completion list. That is so that is the list of things you have to do based on that grade sheet I gave you. You need to do any IXLs 3 and disregard this for right now. We'll talk about that probably after Christmas break.